welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing an exhaust install on a WRX. What is the name of this exhaust again?
Remark. It's on the side over here.
Alright, so this fool is trying to get the ramps in the right position.
Come back. It's gonna be weird. It's like a little bump. Just go up it. Let's stop a little bit. Going back. Right there.
Woo! That was good. So we're doing this install at night. We're kind of struggling out here, but we're gonna make do with what we got.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, it's pretty chilly. They're nice though. They're really light. So how long do you think this install is gonna be?
It's 7:40 right now. Probably with like 8:30 if that.
Yes. Okay, man. Not bad.
Just simple bolt on. Just two bolts, and then put it in the hanger, and that's it.
Nice.
Should be fairly easy.
Looking forward.
I'll have her do it though.
Looking forward to hearing the sound after.
Oh yeah.
She's currently rocking no muffler, so that actually made it easier because now you don't have to take that off.
Yeah, dude. Those mufflers are so heavy, the old ones.
Here's the teacher and the students.
So what you're gonna do is you wanna put these hangers into the exhaust. Do you see those little? So do you see that back one? So you want to stick.
Yeah, hold on.
So you want to stick. I guess you can do that one first. Yeah.
That one's like the easiest one.
You want to put that
Well,
all
not
the
easy,
way.
but
Yeah.
hold on.
It's gonna be annoying. Yeah, just shove it in there.
Sometimes you have to do it by feel, which is the more annoying part.
Put the thing under here so I can see.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm sitting on it.
Shit.
There you go. Need some assistance from the teacher.
And yeah, you just have to
Just like kind of like slam it in there, to be honest.
It's almost, and I kind of see the end. Yeah, almost in. There we go.
Nice.
Now I gotta do the other side.
Nice. One side is in. Half of the battle is over.
Mm-hmm. Same thing, kind of just wiggle it in there.
Hold on, which one's on my phone?
Those exhaust tips are looking good. Gotta
Dude,
admit.
they stick out like a 2 inches.
Yeah.
They're gonna be sick.
So like we said in the beginning, this exhaust is from Remark. So if you guys want to run this on your Subaru, you're gonna have to buy that one.
It's called the Remark Boso something.
Hey,
Boso Axleback.
Boso Axleback. Let's go.
Almost in?
I think it's, yeah, it's already in. It's just I'm trying to get it through.
Move your hand.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Then you're gonna get the gasket, which is
Right here. Here's one.
If you want us to put it either way, it's fine. Just make sure you can see it. It goes through.
Yeah.
This teacher's really good.
We're
He's
gonna do
very
it right.
patient.
All right, here you go.
What size is that?
14.
Okay.
So now here, you're gonna put the bolt first.
This way?
Yeah. You don't have to. Okay, and then put the bolt behind it. Put the flat side against the exhaust. Yeah. Here's a ratchet. Just tighten it up as much as you can.
She's about to do the driver's side now. I'm handing it over. It's light for how big it looks, but yeah, it's still an arm workout, you know, wrenching it on there.
Definitely.
And then we got Vince on the light,
Light duty.
light productions and stuff.
I got like a crust in my eye.
You wanna hold it?
How do you rate her performance in putting in the exhaust hangers?
10 out of 10. Here you go. Get your bolts real quick.
Now
Yeah, the ratchet's
putting on the gasket. This side went by way faster,
It
so
did.
quick learner.
It did, but it's really far away
from the what?
from this pipe right here. Look at
Or you're just gonna have to like adjust it. Yeah. Oh. Squish your finger.
Yeah.
Oh, it is kind of far away, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Orientation.
Yeah,
That's
we're
why.
just gonna just have to adjust it here.
Look at all that new shiny metal underneath the car.
And put this one through. Make sure it doesn't go through everything, the gasket, everything. Mm-hmm.
This is kind of like ASMR. It's so quiet.
Just concentrating.
Yeah.
Rattling and stuff. And then here's the ratchet.
10 hours of wrenching.
This one's like having a hard time.
Probably because it was further apart.
Yeah.
So is it all secure down there?
It looks like it. Gasket's on. Gasket's on. Check the other gasket. Dang, and my cousin's here dropping off tamales.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Quad tips are in. There's a little bit of a fitment thing going on. It's kind of touching the
Bumper a little
bit. We don't want this shit melting, so just gotta kind of wiggle
Yeah.
I just adjust the hangers.
Trying to wiggle out some room from the exhaust hangers just so that we could provide enough clearance so that it doesn't melt the bumper, because the bumper looks clean. Got the teacher stepping in. Hopefully he can, after he hits his head, hopefully he can fix this.
Creepy crawlies on the creeper.
Seriously.
We need to go down, right?
Yeah.
Maybe because we pushed the exhaust hanger too far in.
Feel like I'm in like Harry Potter or some shit. Look at this.
Lord of the Rings.
Yeah. Here you go.
Holy
Here.
lantern.
Yep. It's probably fine.
I mean, it's with any aftermarket exhaust. It's not going to fit like stock.
Yeah, it's not. Plus, I don't know how big these outlets are, but it looks like it's probably about 4 inches.
It's probably bigger than the actual stock exhaust.
Yeah,
too.
that's got to be about 4 inches.
My stock ones are right up there. They're all ugly. Should I pull one out?
Yeah,
Oh, we
pull
can
it- yeah,
for
pull it
just
out.
for, you know, comparison's sake. So we got the stock exhaust right here.
Damn.
Them boys is big.
It's all dirty.
Yeah, let's see how it compares to like the exit. The exit might actually be the same. It looks kind of the same. Nah, never mind. Never mind. It's way bigger. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's OEM versus the Remark. So this is what it looks like when they're installed. It looks really good. It fills up the outlets really well. It is a little bit of a tight fit, but I'm looking forward to that first start. Right, here's a little side profile. You can see it does stick out about 2 inches on both sides, but yeah, it's really clean. Shout out to Remark and this boy. This is the first startup. Oh, yeah! Let's go! It sounds good. Yeah.
Hell
This is gonna be our first drive with the Remark exhaust. Looking forward to how it sounds. Ooh, it's kind of chilly.
Little bit.
I don't know how it sounded before, but it sounds good now.
Sounds good. Sounds like an actual Subaru now.
Okay, that all-wheel drive kicking in. Yo.
Dang, those little pops back here.
Yo. Wait a second.
It's a Subaru though.
Yo, tell me why she's so down though. Okay, we're in the dirt now. We're We are off-roading. You just can't make this up.
Can't block this hill really quick.
Oh my god. We probably could too if we went fast enough. It's freaking all scary.
Alright, so what do you have in store for us today, Vince?
We're gonna test it out and see what's up.
Okay, he is going up!
Sounds good. You're gonna wanna go louder now.
I am. I already feel it. I'm like, I want it to be louder.
Yo! It's bumpy! So give us your first impressions of the exhaust setup.
I really love it. I love the way it sounds. It really changes the tone and everything. So I'm really happy with it.
But now you want to go louder, correct?
I do, yeah. It sounds like a true Subaru, but I'm trying to go for a little bit more loud.
Okay, so shout out, you know, your Instagram or whatever else you want to plug.
All right, my Instagram is at Lost Coast with 2 S's in the Lost, and that's where you'll find all my stuff there. So yeah.
All right, cool. All right, well, hopefully you guys like that video of the Remark Axelback exhaust install on the WRX. But I'll see you guys on the next upload.
The other side.
Oh wait.
The other side.
I'm like, cut that out.